When it comes to kitchen appliances, the right blender can make all the difference in your culinary adventures. This Ninja Professional Blender, with its 1000-watt motor and 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, promises to elevate your blending experience to professional levels. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks, this blender is designed to handle it all with ease. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and versatility of the Ninja Professional Blender, highlighting why it deserves a spot on your kitchen counter. Reasons to buy Ninja Professional Blender. Powerful 1000-watt motor for professional performance. Total crushing technology for smooth and consistent results. Extra large 72-ounce pitcher with pour spout. Versatile for various blending tasks. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Includes a 10-recipe inspiration guide. The Ninja Professional Blender features a sleek and modern design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. However, it's not just about looks. This blender packs a punch with its 1000-watt motor. This powerful motor delivers professional performance, making it capable of handling a wide range of blending tasks. From crushing ice to blending whole fruits and vegetables, the Ninja Professional Blender ensures you get smooth and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the Ninja Professional Blender is its total crushing technology. This innovative technology utilizes specially designed blades that can pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Whether you're making a refreshing smoothie, a creamy shake, or a frozen cocktail, the total crushing technology guarantees smooth, lump-free results. This powerful crushing capability sets the Ninja Professional Blender apart from many other blenders on the market. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is another highlight of the Ninja Professional Blender. This extra-large pitcher is perfect for making large batches of your favorite beverages, making it ideal for families, parties, or meal prepping. With a maximum liquid capacity of 64 ounces, you can blend up large quantities of smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks in one go, saving you time and effort. The pitcher also features a convenient pour spout, allowing you to serve your creations with ease. The Ninja Professional Blender is not just for smoothies and shakes. It offers professional versatility that extends to various culinary tasks. With its powerful motor and total crushing technology, you can blast ice into snow for frozen drinks, blend your favorite ingredients into delicious sauces, dips, and soups, and even puree fruits and vegetables for baby food. This versatility makes the Ninja Professional Blender a valuable addition to any kitchen, catering to a wide range of blending needs. To help you get started on your blending journey, the Ninja Professional Blender comes with a 10-recipe inspiration guide. This guide provides creative ideas for making a variety of drinks and dishes, from classic smoothies to innovative frozen cocktails. Whether you're a blending novice or a seasoned pro, these recipes will inspire you to explore the full potential of your Ninja Blender and create delicious, nutritious beverages and meals. Cleaning up after blending can be a hassle, but the Ninja Professional Blender makes it easy. The blender is BPA-free and dishwasher safe, ensuring that you can clean the pitcher, blades, and other components without any fuss. The removable parts are easy to disassemble and reassemble, making the cleaning process quick and efficient. This convenience is a major plus for busy individuals who want to enjoy their blended creations without spending too much time on cleanup. In terms of performance, the Ninja Professional Blender lives up to its promises. The powerful motor and total crushing technology work together to deliver exceptional blending results. Users have reported that the blender can easily crush ice into a snow-like consistency, blend whole fruits and vegetables into smooth purees, and create perfectly textured smoothies and shakes. The extra-large pitcher is particularly appreciated by users who need to make large batches for families or gatherings. The blender's design also receives high marks for its user-friendly features. The easy-to-read control panel allows for intuitive operation, and the sturdy base ensures stability during blending. The pour spout on the pitcher is a thoughtful addition, making it easy to serve beverages without spills. Overall, the Ninja Professional Blender provides a seamless and enjoyable blending experience. Conclusion: the Ninja Professional Blender is a top-tier kitchen appliance that combines sleek design, powerful performance, and exceptional versatility. With its 1000-watt motor and total crushing technology, this blender can handle a wide range of blending tasks, from crushing ice to blending whole fruits and vegetables. The extra-large pitcher makes it ideal for families and gatherings, while the included recipe guide inspires the creating of delicious drinks and dishes. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home cook, or someone who loves experimenting with new recipes, the Ninja Professional Blender is a valuable addition to your kitchen. Its ease of use, powerful performance, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their blending experience. Invest in the Ninja Professional Blender and enjoy the convenience and versatility it brings to your culinary adventures. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.